माइक बंद कर। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। It is the chapter 4 and stanza 19. That is the desire and the decision of your mind wash out in the enlightened person. Yasya sarve samarambha काम संकल्प वर्जितः ज्ञानाग्निदग्ध कर्माणं तमाहु पंडितं बुधः। यस्य सर्वे समारंभः काम संकल्प वर्जितः ज्ञानाग्निदग्ध कर्माणं तम आहु पंडितं बुधः। यस्य means those persons, सर्वे it means totality, all, samarambha it means the work or any actions. Kama sankalpa parjita it means without any desire and without any aim. Jnanagni dagdha karmani it means all the karmas and all the actions and all the foundations they are burned in the fire of the supreme knowledge of jnana. Tam, that great man called Jnani, the Buddha, it means the enlightened persons also says. Panditam means Pandita, Ahu means says. Those persons, their total active actions comes without desire and without any aim, without any particular self-interest. Those persons, they are all the karmas, all the future and past burn in the fire of super enlightenment, fire of the supreme knowledge. It is a fire. So that person is called by the enlightened persons. They admire that person. They say that they are the prime person. They called Pandita. The Sadguru Sachidananda Paramatma, the base of millions of uncountable galaxies, comes on this earth in the form of Lord Krishna, and he is saying to his dearest disciple Arjuna, for the sake of mankind and for the sake of seekers, they are the directives by the Lord Krishna to the person who is actual and real lover of the God and seeking their internal presence of the existence. So, the Krishna sage, when a person do the spiritual practices by my directives in the previous stanza of the different chapters, then after, at last, he just stay in his existence. There is no work, no duty of that person, no desire, no ambition. Then that person live in the body, he take food, he drink water, he walk, he talk, He do everything like a normal person, but his activities and actions is desireless, foundationless, and there is no aim like the worldly persons. So all the mind, intellect, chitta and ego all are dissolved, all are disappear after the enlightenment. So there is no any sankalpa or any ambitions in that jnani. So when the intellect is dissolved, or intellect is disappear, so all the desires also disappear with the intellect, because the intellect having the desires. So the work of that jnani is without the desires and without the aim and motives. He is only the instrument in the hand of the existence. He is only the medium of God. He do work for his living. He do work for welfare of society. He do work for the supreme knowledge distribution, and he do work for different type of services of mankind. So the real and dearest lover of God, they only can come in touch of the Master Sadguru, because the Master Sadguru comes only for real actual lovers, not for general persons. So that enlightened person, that Atma Sakshatkari person, they do the Bihit Karmas. Bihit Karmas means the work of grace of God. They are the karmas of that person, the activities of that persons. They flowing fluently without any pre-plan. So as God want, as use that person for your welfare. He do that work as God want, God want to become he like a medium. There is nothing is prarabdha. It means there is no luck, no past and no future, because he is liberated soul. There is no kriyamana. He do karma for nothing. He do karmas for the welfare only. He do not take the fruits of the karmas. He is no sanchita, no storage of the karmas. His all the karmas burn into the fire of the supreme knowledge. The supreme knowledge of the divinity is a big fire. So I want to give an example. If you take the grain and you cook the grain in the fire, then you sow the grain in the field, the grain will do not grow. So all the roots and all the causes to come again in this world, they are finished in that supreme enlightened person. He is the absolute existence living in the body. He is the absolute divine love living in the body. He is the absolute light living in the body. So, person who knows the God by the Atma Sakshatkara, by the Buddhatva, by the Jagran, by the enlightenment, by this method of masters and masters coming like a chain through ancient time to yet. So all the person, they are enlightened. They say that person is the prime person of this supreme knowledge. So they say that is the prime person called Panditaha. That's all right, my dear. Love you very much. Thank you.